Hey guys, this is Mitch with Prism Supply. Introducing you to our buddy Josh's bike. It is going to be a Sportster Hardtail #1. I'm kind of going to walk you through, tell you some of the cool parts about it. We'll start up front here with this cool rad old Springer. We got it from Mr. Dwayne at Dwayne's Powertrains. It's really cool, old, stretched, just got that nice old crusty chrome on there, but still in good shape. After that, move on up to these handlebars that we made. They're going to be all one piece, riser included, with the top tree from the Springer built right into the riser. So from here all the way up, it's just one piece. Another cool thing about this bike is it's one of the early prototypes of the Darlington air cleaner. You can kind of see where we started compared to where we finished up with it. It's also got one of our Super Prism throttles on it, so nice, snappy, like they all should be. Another cool thing about this bike is I spent a bunch of time making this custom kickstand for it. I know it's not really noticeable or anything, but I really like how the bike sits finished out. It's got that nice lean to it. Then in the back here, we've got a nice square stock Sissybar, nice and tall, with the crow's perch up on top. And of course the chopper style tail light. Right here with the Sportster Hardtail #1, we wanted to use the classic banjo oil line, hardline fittings, kind of give it that classic look with the horseshoe tank. I think it came out really good. The Sportster chain drive kit is also on there, because you can't have an old chopper with a belt. So this is our hardtail frame #1. First one we've gotten to really rip on, and this thing is a wheelie machine. With the front end so long and you're kind of sitting way over the wheelbase here, it just wants to pull up. It's a nice strong engine. I really like how this thing rides. It's a lot of fun. Nice cruiser. You can put a pack back here, just lean against it and cruise all day. Nathan Sykes did the paint for us. Came out really awesome. Just sweep across. See all these nice lines on there. I'll give you a little sneak peek at our Sportster Hardtail brake bracket. It lets you use the stock brake caliper with our hardtail frame. So it sits in between the frame, kind of keeps your lines clean and tucked everything inside the frame, so it's not hanging down below or anything. Just one of those subtle details that are really going to make the hardtail frame pop. I'm not starting with a thumbs up. Not doing it. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. This is our hardtail frame #1. We're really proud of this. Let us know what you think about it. Like and subscribe. Nice.